Hello and happy new year, depending on where you're watching this. So we could see a Bitcoin ETF become a reality in 2021, and I think this will likely have a very positive effect on Bitcoin, of course, but even affect the altcoins positively, because if a Bitcoin ETF could be approved, there is no reason why an altcoin ETF could not be approved. So I think it's very interesting. Let me get in the article, but before we do that, I have a quick offer for you. There has never been a better time to get a VPN. Right now, PureVPN is giving 62% off of their 1-year plan and 88% off of their 5-year plan if you use my link in the description. That again is 88% off of their 5-year plan and 62% off of their 1-year plan. If you're worried about hackers or intrusive government gathering your personal information, look no further than PureVPN. But you have to act now because this discount will not last. Once again, click the link in the description. A Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, that is ETF, could finally land on Wall Street in 2021 after VanEck filed an application with the Securities and Exchange Commission this week, that is SEC. Regulators have previously rejected numerous Bitcoin ETF proposals, including one from VanEck in September of 2019. But Bitcoin surged to new highs in 2020, driven by increased adoption from institutions and a changing of the guard at the SEC could improve the chance of regulatory approval for an ETF. A Bitcoin exchange-traded fund could go live in 2021 if an application from VanEck filed this week with the SEC proves successful. A Bitcoin ETF operated by VanEck would follow the same path of gold trust ETFs in that it would hold the underlying Bitcoin, the filing said. So this is very good. This means a lot. If this gets, if this goes through, a lot of Bitcoin are going to be bought and held up in that ETF. The VanEck Bitcoin Trust would reflect the performance of the MVIS Crypto Compare Bitcoin Benchmark Rate. Wall Street has been attempting to launch a Bitcoin ETF for years, and VanEck had its last proposal rejected in September of 2019. Now, here's the key thing here, guys. But now, with changing of the guard at the SEC and Bitcoin surged to new all-time highs, driven in part by increased adoption from institutions, the chance of approval could be higher, okay? Now, another key, the main key thing here, I think the Bitcoin surge to all-time highs and, more adoption, that, of course, plays a big part, but the SEC is changing. The SEC is changing a lot of key members. Many people have already left and are going to new jobs, and a new regime is coming in, and they seem to be more crypto friendly. Now, does that mean they are going to be pro crypto per se? Not necessarily. But they could be more crypto friendly than the previous administration, which in my opinion did a lot to hurt adoption. And I think all the adoption that has occurred has happened in spite of the SEC so far, not because of it, okay? So that's a key thing here, guys. Let me know in the comment section what you think. How much of a performance increase will we see on cryptocurrency if we start seeing ETFs pop up to where traditional stock investors and financial market makers get more involved in cryptocurrency? That's a lot of money coming into this market, and cryptocurrency still, guys, not even $1 trillion yet, such a small market when you compare it to other things like gold and silver and such. So definitely keep your eye on this, and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share. I will catch you next time, and as always, have a great day.